Hello. Nowadays, people have become more and more fashionable. They like coloring, strengthening, curing their hair, and we are facing more and more hair damage issues.
Yet, like dry, weak, dull, frizzy. No worry about it. We will help you to solve it perfectly. We have the most advanced and the best formulas for hair conditioning treatment products. It is instantly and 100% effectively help to repair the weak, dry damage and over-processed hair.
Yes, and it can easily absorb deeply penetrant nutrition to the hair shaft and the fibers. It can repair the most seriously damaged hair, 9 levels, to the healthy hair, 3 levels in 5 minutes. When you apply it onto your hair, it will become soft quickly, and it can absorb faster around 20 seconds than other similar result hair masks in the market.
We will do a testing to see the magic and unique features of our Lourich hair conditioning treatment spa.
This is our own brand, Lourich hair mask.
This is our brand hair mask. Let's apply a suitable amount of it onto our skin. Massage it and see the result.
Okay, as you can see, our Lourich hair mask can absorb by the skin like the body lotion. Other brands' hair masks cannot absorb by the skin like ours.
Yes, actually, most of the hair conditioning treatment products in the market, it just uses the sulfate oil or beeswax to make the hair surface look smooth. It cannot be absorbed by hair, so it cannot repair the damaged hair fundamentally. But our Lourich hair mask can 100% repair it. What's more, it is cold conditioning treatment spa. No need to use machines to give extra heat. Simple and easy to work. It is top-class quality product in hair industry. Lourich hair mask is the best option for the daily hair care routine products. We are always focused on manufacturing first-class professional salon hair products. Choose us, choose success.